Okay, so we're recording. Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon and welcome to my channel. You guys can already probably see and sense and get the new vibe of a new setup. I'm trying again. If you guys have been with me so far and you watch my videos, you know that it's been kind of a process actually, and it's a learning curve to find out when and where you can probably shoot your videos. And this is also something that I didn't realize initially. I thought maybe I can just create a permanent setup and just start shooting my videos. I actually started my YouTube channel after my husband kind of pushed me into it, and he just nudged me into doing it and starting it on my own. And I couldn't have done it so far without his help, and he's the one who's been kind of guiding me to setting up my equipment and working out with the kind of right lighting and etc. But now eventually and gradually I'm trying to kind of get into a more independent setup of mine where I can sit and record on my own. That's also important because I want to get onto a more faster upload schedule where I can churn out more videos for you guys, and I hope this works out. So let's see. So today's video is yet again on foundations, and I'll be telling you guys as to which kind of foundation works best for which skin type. Now, I've already done a foundation video before where I talk about how to match yourself and find the right foundation for your skin color and basis your complexion, which I'm going to link somewhere over here on the screen. But today's video is basically focusing on the types of foundation and which one you need to go for if your skin type is dry, if your skin type is oily, and etc. So let's get started. So there are three different types of foundations that are available in the market. The first is your standard, which is your The first is your most standard and universal formulation, which is your liquid foundation. This is the one that you can find in almost any brand. This one is by NYX. It's the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm not showing you the front. Here you go. The second type is your cream foundation or a stick foundation that usually comes in a retractable form like this. This one is by Bobbi Brown, the Skin Longwear Stick Foundation. And the third type is your powder foundation, which is basically in either a loose powder format or a compact like this. This one is by MAC. Now, which foundation works for which skin type? You obviously now can find any formulation, whether you want a matte finish, you want a dewy finish, you want a satin matte finish in most liquid foundations, which is why I call the liquid one as being the most standard one. Having said that, there are lots of times with a lot of skin types, and especially people who have maybe oily skin or combination skin, and if you are someone who struggles with acne, scars, marks, blemishes, something like a stick foundation or a cream foundation will work best for you. The reason being, stick foundations usually have a little bit more coverage that they can give you compared to a liquid foundation, because this, even with a one swipe or a one layer all over your face, you can kind of achieve a very flawless coverage and very like a full glam, covered all acne marks, scars, everything all completely concealed, versus liquid foundations where you will kind of have to build it up using multiple layers, and it can end up looking very cakey. But at the same point in time, also what you've got to remember when you're using cream foundations is that you don't go in with a lot of product at the very beginning, because this is something that is mostly of a little bit of a medium to full coverage. What I like to usually do is I usually take the brush over the product inside the stick itself and then apply it instead of applying the product directly on my face, because that kind of gives you a little bit of a playroom in case you want kind of a lighter coverage. So this is really great for those days. And if you are someone who has oily skin type and does not really like wearing foundations, or if you are someone who kind of struggles with your skin breaking out every now and then every time you've tried a new foundation, whether that's liquid or cream, see if you want to try out a powder foundation. Now, this one is by MAC. It's their basic standard foundation powder that comes in a compact like this, and it also has an applicator in the bottom. It's not really much of a use in your times when you're kind of getting ready from home, but it's a great tool to have when you're trying to touch up your foundation in the entire day. Powder foundations are great for people who have oily skin, who probably sweat a lot, who have struggled keeping their makeup on in place, especially in times like right now when it's so humid and sunny. What this does is this gives you a little bit of coverage and also keeps your skin very light, also like almost like powdered down with a little bit of sheen over your face. It's not going to look heavy, it's not going to look cakey, and it's great to have it in your bag. So even if you're someone who doesn't probably wear a full face of makeup when you step out the door in the morning, but if you have this handy in your makeup bag or in your handbag, you can go on applying this throughout the day with a brush or with the applicator that comes with this, and you're all set. So those are the basic 3 types of foundations available. One thing to remember when it comes to powder foundation is that try and go for a compact form. You will get a lot of options in multiple brands out there. You don't have to go for a MAC one, but don't try and go for a loose powder format, because that's very cumbersome to use, especially if you're on the go, or even if you're trying to use it at home. There can be a lot of product that your brush or your applicator might pick up, and it's not going to spread out very easily all over your skin. So make sure you go for something that comes in a compact formulation like this. If I was to give you my most preferred format amongst all these types of foundations, I would any day and any time recommend a liquid foundation, because I somehow feel that this is what is something that is so universal. If you're going out for a party, if you're getting ready for something that's not much of a heavy duty kind of a day, even if you're getting ready for something that's a light lunch at home or something, one pump or half a pump of a liquid foundation can give you almost a little bit of coverage, color, versus cream or powder foundations, which I kind of find are good alternatives for being on the go. But if there's something that you're trying out for the first time and you want to invest your money into buying a foundation, try and go for a liquid foundation and find out the kind of finish that works for you. So if you are oily skin, go for a matte foundation. If you are dry skin, go for a dewy foundation. And if you have combination skin like I do, maybe go for something that's a satin matte. And I will also list down a couple of examples in the description box for you guys to check out. So that was all the information and all the gyan and all the education that I can give you guys about foundations and what is the kind of foundation that you need to go for based on your skin type. Let me know in the comments down below if this video helped you guys. And also something that I have not shown or revealed in this video, but there is a new foundation that I just bumped across maybe a week or so back, and it's almost been like I was feeling if I was living under a rock. I don't know where that foundation has been all my life, and it's been a find, and I will be doing a video and a full review on that foundation very soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's a wrap for this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and also let me in the comments down below if you guys have any questions, suggestions, and please subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying watching this video and want to watch more videos from What Makeup. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.